that you have proof or that you can prove that some SAPS officials during your time in SAPS has been supplying guns to gangsters?
I have evidence. I have evidence, and that evidence is still in the possession of DPCI Free State. Brigadier Mafojani. I printed everything for them. There's evidence that firearms they were meant to distract it were removed from the Free State sub-storage facility and sold back to the black market.
So our children are killing each other with guns supplied by SAPS.
Guns supplied by SAPS, yes.
Name the people in SAPS whom you can prove is corrupt.
I will start with General Lysia. Then I will go to the Provincial Commissioner of Free State. Then I will go to the Deputy Provincial Commissioner of Free State. Then I will go to General Sibia. I will add General Kumalo and General Lushaba. If you want me to sit yet for the whole night, but currently now I can tell you safely that Free State SAPS is a crime scene. Firearms, I have evidence that firearms are being removed, and General Lysia and General Modise is implicated, that they supplied hitmen with firearms from the storage facilities. Those firearms killed witnesses, and those firearms are now in the possession as a result of the Mr. Nguru's evidence that he provided. Mr. Nguru exposed the location of the firearms. Those firearms are now in the possession, and it killed a teacher, it killed a police officer, it killed many other people. Those firearms must still be linked to more killings that we still don't know. The firearms have been sent for IDOS testing. We will get the results. And if you are a hard worker in Free State and you fight against crime, you become a target. Currently, we sit with the situation where anti-gang members were arrested by anti-corruption, whereby they went to Nigerians, take the drugs, take the money, and they take them for themselves and they release them. And then anti-corruption arrested them. There were evidence, there were witnesses, and then a general, Mukalake, she found him not guilty on the departmental trial while they are still on trial in court. They were arrested a second time for the same offenses, and they were found not guilty again. Now you ask yourself, that same General Mukalake that I'm speaking with, where her son raped a minor child, and a police officer was instructed not to arrest the son. And that case was withdrawn by the DPP. And because I can speak about these things on my social media platforms, I went to expose it on social media. As a result thereof, that docket was requested and put on the roll again. But I don't know currently what is the status. When is that little girl going to get her justice while Mukalake was promoted and her son is still out there? We don't know how many other girls are suffering as a result of what he did to that little girl.
And how do you feel about the fact that such